It is still Saturday. Flo is still with me. Quad Daddy is still with me. We're on to the second spot on this rainy ass day. And this place is looking amazing. Oh, you can tell they're ripping some of it down, but we'll just stay out of where they're working. We're gonna find one of these other buildings to fuck with like this thing, dude. Flo. Look at that thing. I'm glad we left that other spot, homie.
Yeah.
Because we would have knocked out in this spot. Like, it's not that crazy in there. You got the clearance spot or whatever. Fuck, dude, we did it. We found a 6th spot. I'm excited, dude. This, even though it's fucking miserably raining out, dude. This is still going to be amazing. Glad we came out, honestly, because I feel like we're gonna get some fucking packs in, which is sweet. Quad Daddy's here, he's ready. Check him out. Make sure you check out his store. Super cool stuff there. Yeah, we're gonna get to it. Here goes motherfucking nothing.
This is an FPTV exclusive.
Bring down rain. We're breaking quads, but now it's time for our favorite wiggly head buddy.
Deep down in Louisiana, close to New Orleans, way back up in the woods among the evergreens, there stood a log cabin made of earth and wood, where lived a country boy named Johnny B. Good, who
his feet would come off with it, but I glued them on so many times that they're fucking stuck. Yeah, so you can see, still holding up, dude. He flew another bando. I couldn't trippy spin him. He's fucking too heavy for me. I hit some really tight gaps with Daddy today. It was fucking sick, but dude, I had an awesome time. For it being so rainy, this was a great time. Yeah, I mean, we were really limited on what we could fly, and every time you crash, your lens is covered in shit, but instead of sitting at home complaining there was nothing to do, we went out, we tore it up. Flo broke both his shit. One has like a VTX pouring out the end. I broke, one quad's got bad video, and my other quad's good to go, so not too bad of a day there. We lost Quad Daddy's base.
Didn't that come with 2 broken quads, and then fix 2 broken quads,
Yeah.
and then 8 broken quads?
Yeah, that happened. Fuck. Fuck, who knows, man. This place is awesome. I can't wait to come back. Get these fucking roof gaps. That is like...
That looks nuts.
Those roof gaps need to be gotten.
Oh yeah.
When it's dry out, dude, I'm telling you to come out here, power loop up, fucking tag one of these bitches. I got nothing. Fuck it. Quad Daddy's base is here. It was claimed by this bando. Fuck, I don't even know. What should we name this place? This place is huge. Oh shit. Fuck. Well, we're gonna get boogieing. Hopefully we don't get in shit. Until next time. Peace, motherfuckers.
TEAM.MANIACS.com. Check us out. Follow us on YouTube and stuff.
No, you're a son of a bitch, big oily guy.
Get near me. I'm giving more C and on the floor B. All the the girls, they adore me. Oh yes, ladies,